Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to shave my head again. Yes, I don't know. It's just, I kind of really like shaving my head now. I hope this is not like a thing, but it seems to be that way. This will be the fourth time that I shave my head. And I looked at my videos and I wasn't quite pleased. Like, I wanted bald just the way that I wanted, and I was happy at the results back then. But then I shaved my brother's head. He is like bald, not Steve Harvey bald, but he was bald, and it really just inspired me to shave my head because now I know how to do it the right way. Like, I won't have any like blotches or whatever in my head. So I decided to go ahead this time shave. This will be the fourth time, and then after that I'll just start my hair growth journey. This is February the 20th, so February, March will be a whole month. I probably won't do any updates on that because I've already done that with the previous hair growth. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm in that state of mind where I really don't feel like being bothered with my hair. So I just want to go ahead. My hair done grew out. See, it done grew out. And I did get some edge control because I was going to do an edge control video, and that's coming. The edge controls, it's 2 of them, and they're coming tomorrow. But I was like, you know what, that can wait because I also have wigs that's coming, okay? And that should cover about a whole month of video plus other stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. I hope this is not like a thing, you know, but I just really want it the way I want it. So let's go. You remember these? I had it cut down. So you see a little bit of hair here, and there, even though it was like considered bald. But if I shave upward, like if I take this and shave upward like that, then I have a closer cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Anyway, child, I'm so glad I did this. My hair is completely bald all over, everywhere. I'm happy about that. And now I can go on with a clear conscience knowing that my hair is going to grow out all the same length now. And me having like that, you know, that clarification that my hair is bald, like all of it's gone. You know what I'm saying? Like it's truly bald. Truly. 100%. Okay. So now I ain't got no reason. I don't have any reasons to go back and say, oh, I should have redid that. Or I should have touched up that. Or I should have did this at the top. Or I should have shaved down in a downward motion, because I've done it all. I did it all. Okay. So yeah. If I can find a link to this, if I can find a link to this clippers, I will link it down in the description box below. You can check it out. But these are very affordable and they work pretty good. Really, really good. They actually, I give these a 10 out of 10 because they didn't cut out any of my lights. You know how some clippers, you turn it on and it's so high powered that it shut off your lights? Well, I didn't have this problem. And I've used this like 3 times now, and it is amazing. Okay, and it's affordable. So I'll link it down in the description box below. You can check it out. Until y'all see me again, bye. And don't forget to stay at the end, because I'm going to show you the end results of my big bald head. Okay.